If you love to check out a spritz that is actually the precursor to the Aperol Spritz, keep watching and let's talk drinks. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to make a spritz called the Venetian Spritz. So this cocktail was created in 1920s roughly, originally with this select. What happened eventually was companies like Campari and Aperol used their bitter liqueurs, promoted the crap out of it as they did, because I mean the Aperol Spritz is an amazing cocktail. But this is like the OG, the original bitter style spritz from back in the day. So I'm going to add some ice into this cocktail. I love using plenty of ice, okay? I hate when customers or guests say, oh, can we remove the ice because they think that they're going to get more alcohol. That's not true, okay? The reason we're adding so much ice is you don't want the drink to over dilute and you want it to be bloody cold, right? We're going to start with 60 mils or 2 ounces of the select Aperetivo. I love this, it's a built cocktail straight into the wine glass. Next up, we're going to do 90 mils of a Prosecco. Really excited to show you we have our new 18th Amendment bar Prosecco, which has been going gangbusters here in Australia. We've got venues that have taken it on board and they're loving it. Keep an eye out, we also have a Pinot Grigio and a Sauv Blanc as well. So we want 90 mils, or 3 ounces. And last but not least, just a little bit of a splash of soda water. We carbonate our own soda water here at the 18th Amendment bar in Geelong. Give that just a little bit of a stir. And for my garnish, just an orange wedge. And that is the Venetian Spritz. Look at that colour. Let's give it a try. Yum, beautiful. All right, what's the difference between this and the Aperol? It is a little bit more bitter. For me, it's a lot more sort of deeper wine sort of flavour, texture than we get from an Aperol, because that also has like the orange and the rhubarb in it. So if you like something that's a little bit more bitter than the Aperol Spritz, I would definitely check this out. It is a beautiful drink. As I said, so is the Aperol Spritz and a Campari Spritz. We're going to do a few more videos coming up on different types of spritzes because it is summer here in Australia at the moment. Give it a go, okay? And please like, subscribe. See you soon and let's talk drinks.